Here's how to restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. The first thing we're going to do is head into the Settings app of your iPhone. There are two different ways to back up all your messages to be able to restore them. The first one in Settings is you can tap on your name at the very top. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit and use iCloud to back it up. So tap on iCloud here. And the first thing we'll do is you can see Save to iCloud. Let's tap on where it says See All at the top right. And then scroll down until we find WhatsApp on this list at the very bottom. If this is turned off, it's not being backed up to your iCloud. So essentially, if it's off, just toggle that on. But we can manually back it up through here just by tapping back and then tapping on iCloud Backup. Now you can see Backup Now. All I need to do is tap on that. This will back up my entire iPhone, including WhatsApp messages, to the iCloud. However, another option you have is to go into the WhatsApp app. So open up WhatsApp and tap on Settings at the very bottom right. If you don't want to back up your entire iPhone, you can specifically back up WhatsApp in the app. To do that, you're going to tap on Chats right under Privacy. And then there you can see is Chat Backup. Just tap on that. Now, I would highly recommend turning on Include Videos so you don't lose any of those videos. And you can also choose to set up an auto backup just so that you don't need to manually do this. After you've done that, let's just tap on the Backup Now option. It will go through the process of backing up everything to your iCloud so that if you lose your phone or the app, you can always get it back. Now let's move on to the Restore option. So let's say you're on a new phone, or you got a new phone, or you don't have WhatsApp. You can always delete the app. Let's delete it here. Delete. And now we'll just go to the App Store and reinstall this. So I'm going to type in WhatsApp and show you how to restore it. Let's tap on Download here and download a fresh new copy. Now keep in mind, when you download a fresh new copy and you're restoring everything, it will ask you for your phone number associated with your iPhone. So let's open it up and hit Agree and Continue and Allow. Now it will ask you for your phone number. Let me just put my phone number in here. And after I've done that, you can see it usually will text that phone number. If it doesn't, it maybe just recognizes that that phone has access to WhatsApp. But if it doesn't, you'll get a code texted to you. Now you can see here, Restore from iCloud. It automatically recognizes that you have a backup. And all you need to do is hit Restore, and it will go through the process of downloading all of those photos, videos, and messages. You'll be able to see after it's done, all of my messages will be back as they were before, including all the media.